On the count of 3, we run to the car. Ready? 1, 2.
Wait, I want shotgun going back.
Times, you get shotgun. Okay, here we go. 1, 2.
I still think we should wait till the rain slows down.
No, we gotta get home. I got work tomorrow. You guys got school.
You do realize I'll get wet.
It's just water, Sheldon.
All right, just making sure you realize.
All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Buddy, thought we had a plan.
You had a plan.